In a previous video, we learned how to run Python code interactively. On Windows, you can type Python in command prompt. Remember it? Although the interactive prompt is great for experimenting and testing, it has one big disadvantage. That is, the programs you type there go away as soon as the Python interpreter executes them. Because the code you type interactively is never stored in a file, you can't run it again without retyping it from scratch. So to save programs permanently, you need to write your code in files, which are usually known as modules or scripts. Modules or scripts are simply text files containing Python statements. Once they are coded, you can ask the Python interpreter to execute the statements in such a file any number of times. Now, how to run Python code in this way? You need a text editor. If you don't have one installed in your computer, you need to download it first. I put the links for several editors to download in the description below. You can pick your favorite editor. However, in my videos from now on, I will use idle, which comes with your Python installation. Idle provides a graphical user interface for doing Python development, and it is a standard and free part of the Python system. Idle is usually referred to as an integrated development environment because it binds together various development tasks into a single view. Let's open idle first. Click File and then New File. Now let's start our first script. In this video, we will use some codes to demonstrate how to run Python in Editor. But you should not worry too much about the file's code now. Now let's type the following statements. Hashtag a first Python script. Here I've added some formal Python comment, the text after the hashtag character. This text is a human-readable comment and is not considered part of the statement's syntax. Next. Import sys, print parentheses sys.platform. Sys.platform here is just a string that identifies the kind of computer you are working on. It lives in a standard Python module called sys, which you must import to load. Again, you will learn more on imports in the coming videos. Please subscribe to my channel to get the weekly updates. The next statement is print parentheses 2*100. This statement asks the computer to calculate the value of 2 raised to the power of 100. Next statement. X equal to single quotation marks spam exclamation mark. Then print parentheses x star 8. This statement asks computer to repeat spam exclamation mark for 8 times. Again, don't focus on the syntax of the code in this file for now. We will learn about all of it later. The main point here is to write some script and then show you how to run it. Before we run the script, we need to save it first. Let's name it script 1. After you've saved this text file, click Run, then click Run Modules to run the code. Here are the results. The computer I am working is on Windows 32. The next big value here is the result of 2 raised to the power of 100. And the last outcome here is to repeat spam exclamation mark for 8 times. Okay. So far, you have learned 2 different ways of running Python codes. In the coming videos, we will learn more about the Python codes. I will see you in next video.